Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line mushroom. I'm going to go in first with the color Barn Red, and I'm going to base coat the top of my mushroom. And all the colors I use in this video are Dixie Belle chalk paint, and I want to let you guys know that you can purchase this paint, the cutout I'm using, and the brushes also, all on our website, buildacross.com. And the number one reason I love Dixie Belle is just the coverage. This red will be one coat only, as will everything else I paint on here. So pretty much every color I can get away with just using one coat, which is really convenient. I'm going in now with the color Putty, and I'm painting the underneath side of my mushroom. And then I'm just going to mix a little bit of white and putty for my stem. And don't be intimidated by this. Pretty much what I like to do is just get my colors on there that I'm going to blend, and then I will just blend with my brush until I'm happy with like the outcome, happy with the strokes that are being shown. So this is definitely not something you can mess up, so don't be afraid to try it. And next I'm going in with the color Evergreen to paint the grass at the bottom of my mushroom. And then after that, I'll go in and I'll start to fill in all the polka dots on the top of my mushroom, and I'll use the color Cotton for that. And Cotton is Dixie Belle's whitest and brightest white. If you're looking for a little bit of an off-white, they have Buttercream and Fluff is definitely my favorite of the two, but both are pretty. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything. And this is definitely the easiest way to go in and outline, but you can go in with paint. It's just a little bit, obviously using a marker is easier, just the way you're able to hold it, but paint does work as well. I'm just going to go around all of my lines, and these lines that I'm going over are the ones that are etched into the cutout. So I'm not freehanding any of this or trying to figure out where my lines go. They're already there for me, so it's very easy. And then once I'm done outlining everything with my Sharpie brushstroke marker, I'll go in and finish it off with a little bit of white paint using Cotton and a number 4 round. And I will highlight everything. So I'm just going to highlight my stem, the edges of that, and around the edges of my mushroom top, and also the grass as well. This just brightens everything up. Highlighting, as always, is an optional step, but it's something that I really love and kind of finishes it all off for me. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.